This September marks a decade since the Apple Watch first debuted. And what a decade it's been! But this year's update is rumored to be the biggest one yet. Get ready for a game-changing redesign, new health features, and a whole lot more. We've been hearing whispers of a complete overhaul with a thinner chassis, massive screen, and redesigned band system. And let's not forget those two new health features, blood pressure monitoring and active sleep apnea tracking. It seemed like Apple was poised to perfect the wearable. But as we all know, rumors can be deceiving. So what does the Apple Watch X really look like? Let's take a first look. Instead of those gray CAD images, we're getting our first glimpse of the real deal. Say hello to the 2024 Apple Watch X. This is your exclusive look at the future of wearables. The screen sizes are getting a huge boost. We're talking 45mm and 49mm, with the latter matching the Apple Watch Ultra. That's right, the largest normal Apple Watch will have the same display as the Ultra. And the smallest 45mm watch will be the same size as the current largest ordinary Apple Watch. Screens are getting enormous this year. The redesign we were promised? Not happening. Instead, we're getting a thicker Apple Watch X with potentially better battery life. But is that enough? And what about those groundbreaking health features? Blood pressure monitoring and sleep apnea detection are reportedly facing serious challenges. Blood pressure monitoring is facing reliability issues, and sleep apnea detection is stuck due to a dispute with Mimo. It's disappointing, especially considering Apple's been working on these features for a long time. The Vitals app is a major upgrade, tracking metrics like heart rate, blood oxygen, and wrist temperature. It's like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. And with the rumored blood pressure monitoring, this app is the perfect hub for all your vital signs. So, what do you think? Is the Apple Watch Series 10 the ultimate health and fitness companion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech updates and analysis. See you in the next video.